YouTube, it's Erin. I've got a frog in my throat today. I do not know what's going on. Hopefully it'll get better as I go. I am the Handbag Housewife and I'm back again with another video. Today's video was going to be an unboxing, but Bloomingdale's sent me my item in a bag. And you all, if you've been following me on my community page, may know what this one is, since I just unboxed another one from my community page yesterday. But this arrived in a bag, and honestly, I've had kind of a tough day, and it's a long story, but I bought my kids this great big air hockey table, and it arrived, and it was damaged, and Amazon, for the first time ever, is being a beast to work with. And I finally, after 4 phone calls, got somebody to help me, because the box came and it was literally like falling off of the table. And then inside, the bottom side of the table was all cracked. And I told them, I need you to come out here and pack this up, or have somebody come out here, obviously, and pack this up for me, because I don't have a box to put it in. And they couldn't do that. And so then I said, well, I think I can repair it. I think I can glue it, and I can add some reinforcements on the bottom. And since it's on the bottom, you know, you can't see it, but I think you should give me a discount since it's broken. And it was an item that was shipped from and sold by Amazon, so there should have been no issue. I ended up finally getting to talk to a supervisor at the end of the whole thing, and they gave me a $100 promotional credit, and I'm okay with that. I'm done with that. But then this arrived right when I was dealing with all that. And when I saw that it was in a bag, I just got like this sick feeling in my stomach. So I went ahead and opened it. So I guess this is more of a reveal than an unbagging. And it's also sort of a sad reveal, because I'm not going to keep this item either. But since I have it, I really wanted to show it to you, because it is a beautiful item and some of you might really like it. For me, it didn't work, and I'm going to tell you why. So the item came factory wrapped, despite the fact that it was in a bag. I would not have been happy with this one. This one is in the color blue celadon. It gets points for the color. I absolutely love the color. I love the emblem, which is completely see-through to the back side. I love that. The pebbled leather is really pretty. So I love that. So it seems like I've got a lot of loves going on for this bag, right? But the bottom, it got like crushed because it was shipped in a bag. And you can kind of see the dent on it. Even when I try to push on it and flatten it out, it won't. So it's always going to be kind of hanging down like below. And it's probably not going to sit on a table as well as it would have, because that bottom part's pushing through. And I might be able to reshape it, but that's not my only issue with the bag. If that was my only issue, I would probably just try to get another one, because they're still available. My issues with the bag are, okay, well, let me tell you some more things I like about it. I love the magnetic closure. It's a really nice magnet. Doesn't require too much work to open it or close it. The bag has a really nice pocket inside that zips, and then also has an additional pocket that's slip. And the interior of the bag has this wonderful suede-like texture. I was able to put all of the items in this bag that I normally will carry, so that was good. I didn't have any issues with that, but what I did have an issue with is I think I would need an organizer for this bag, because my items were poking out and leaving dimples in the leather. And I don't like that look. I really don't like it when I can see, oh, there's my AirPods case, because it's like leaving a dimple on the outside. I'm not going to put my stuff back in it, but you get the drift. It's not thick enough, and it may be because it doesn't have a very good lining, and it's kind of a smooshy bag, as you can see. It's not really thick enough that it can prevent showing your items through, and I don't want to buy a bag organizer for it. It's a small enough bag that it would probably take up a third of the room inside. But it does hold all my items, and so there's that for it. When I ordered it, I kind of knew I didn't want to wear this bag crossbody. It comes with a strap that goes crossbody. It doesn't look bad crossbody, but I don't want to wear this style of a bag crossbody. I want to wear this bag on my shoulder. And so you may ask, how do you attach this bag to your shoulder? Well, what you do is you take it apart right there. You basically unhook those two pegs. Let's do that. And every time you do this, you're going to stretch out your leather a little bit. And then you take the bit off the end. This is basically the crossbody section that you're taking out. It has holes on one end, which go through here. And then on the other end is where it has the pegs, and that's where it hooks on to the other end of this strap. This strap does not remove from the bag, but it has the little holes on it too, which you can see kind of get pulled and stretched when you put those pegs through it. So if you plan on using this and then taking it off and on a whole bunch, you're going to have stretched out holes, and nobody likes that. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to fasten this on the shoulder. And then I'm probably going to roll the rest of the crossbody strap up and stick it inside for shipping it back, because that way I won't remove and reassemble it any more than I have to. It is kind of hard to get this to go through. I'm going to put it on the longest setting, but as you can see, it is a nice looking shoulder bag. I mean, the leather is really pretty, but my problem, and it's not going to even show as much because it has this wrapping on it. I should probably take the wrapping off so I can show you, then I can put it back on. Let me do that real quick. So I'm going to put it on the longest setting for shoulder carry. It does have a little keeper right here, so no matter what length you set it on, you can pull it through. But when I put this bag on my shoulder, what does it want to do? It's like right at the edge of my shoulder. And it didn't matter if I weighed it down or not, it still wanted to fall off my shoulder, just like that. That would drive me bananas. I cannot have a bag that's falling off my shoulder. And so that is the final strike against this bag. I mean, it has so many good things going for it. This is beautiful. The color is beautiful. It does hold all my things. It feels really nice inside. It has a nice interior pocket, zip pocket combo. But the negatives, well, first of all, it being smashed, you could probably get one that wasn't smashed where it was poking out like that. The negatives are how you wear it, and that's like, sorry, I just kicked my pole here. The negatives are how you wear it. I don't like how it looks crossbody, and it falls off my shoulder. So for $313.60, my vote is no, because I don't want something that just looks pretty. It's got to be functional too, because I got a lot of pretty and functional bags in my closet, as you are all well aware. So this little cutie, this Tory Burch, and I can't even remember the name of it right now. The name of it is the Miller Small Shoulder Bag. So this little cutie is a no for me. It does really look good with my shirt though. I kind of planned that. I was sort of being hopeful, I guess. But this little beauty is a no for me. She's going back, but now you have all the information. If you don't have issues with straps falling off your shoulders, if you've got those good shoulders that stick out a little farther, or I don't know what kind of shoulders you have to keep a bag like this on, but if you have them, then this is an excellent bag, because I wanted to wear it on my shoulder. So if that one issue was fixed, I would be halfway there. The other part was that my stuff bumps out and shows through the leather. But I could probably make that work, and I would get a bag organizer of some sort to make that work. I don't know. It's hard because this bag probably doesn't have a pre-made organizer for it. So then you got to give people the measurements, and it gets to be a hassle, and yada, 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 yada. So that is my opinion on the Miller Small Shoulder Bag. I love this color. I may try to find something else in this color. I love the Miller emblem. I may try to find something else in the Miller. But for now, this one's a no. And until next time, I'm Erin, and I'm the Handbag Housewife, and I hope you have a fabulous rest of your day. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so. Ring my bell. What are you waiting for? And you can also find me over on Instagram, where I post all of my videos as well as some outfits of the day and sometimes just bag mod shots. So take care, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.